Isoko wado Yorubro wise. So Isoko men agree to everybody. Megbere mi o. Urwe mu Isoko maina no. Wow to jobwebu wa bera akwota na. I see they talk about our culture and tradition when some of una dey spoil for ground. So when it comes to marriage traditional rights. Uwo wa wajadi wati wego wati wuwa this group of people. Normally, osate nyanse no obenyuka e uwilisi uwobe no olwa ore rokoza eni abini keni ha uteje obe na wo ore rokoza na eni na reni ya kevo jera no okyuje teno e mare no akere fi obe no wona jere rize no ware mu ike wowo esio e mare ne robe na ake wati sieta ware ti mu ike wowo jo esio awon no wasizieze ha keke na da hero wa be va fe yo wa bi sioza like amori na de se wa bi dugba be ze o meni eze oi wa be zo mori na kporo na meni oro de wa be ro mori na nya eze wa ri eze na eze keme ogere kike wowo jo wa ese bini wa yo ruana ware sio na te bi ru a abe wo sa o sa mate na bi rigo yen ike no ware si uwo ma wati uwo a eme garo ma itere eme wane go wa wojo ma teri wa wojo yi ejo ofiki go no wa bi mi ni peru mu ha oja bono kenu tete na ufo ne ware ni kro na de krufioto no ra cry fioto ware bona arigoru no yo wausa na de you that boy when be say that they talk say use money to just forget that one, no need to buy and just bring the body more just to settle. You yourself, you just bring body to the top. You be fool, you are animal, you are a goat. Why would you not do money for your wife head? You never marry self. If you want to become a man, you want to become a married man, do the needful well. Ask properly. How did they do am? Waiting that they put for ground, waiting that they bring. Ask, may you put everything for ground. If they tell you, say, just use money settle. Tell them, say, no. And they buy the things that come according to the tradition. Drop them according to the tradition and culture. Because all those way they use money, they do self, you know work. Tradition not talk like that. You not talk like that. At the end of it, money when you go even spend, your eye go see your backyard. And they tell you. Because they go tell you say the thing at 5 naira at the end of it, before you know. Maybe now when you don't reach out, so when you go begin calculate, you don't spend, wait till be 10 naira, so you don't go spend 200 naira on top of. Your eye go come clear. Then why watch your Orana wata zanu ugochona abera to hon we bi ku osama yoni ma obiapa aja ko wugo na se ja rugo George 20 rugo ako we 30,000 naira waro the George awaro to ho we ku wanya we bete ni dash na die we say dibele George joni nwa we dibele ho se we ti koku eva fera ojo na what I know, Asana, I tell my baby, go out for the eye. I'm on a tell my baby, cover. Woman, for why? Woman, where's in the town? Oh, we crono, on your mo, ole crota. No, one your mo, where they had your mother, oh, we crono, where they crota, but very crona, Ikrono onyemo ara mori wo megba be wa me be fi eva Isoko vere mo frefre me ere meta mo mame Ikrono onyemo ara mo wo na megba be ere rai eva bu me mare Ikrono gbagba you move nowhere were move na ikro na bobi na onye ọma na ọrụ ọhịa ọmọdụ wụ na eregba ewojori ya na agbebi lo ara re ke ewojo buebu family jo buebu agbebi lo ara na igo no abe ara for na man wa siaba wa you people should go back to the culture and tradition of Isoko nation and stop killing and stop destroying our culture iwe mu na bobu no wa biru na o jabono oro eva Isoko ugbe ogoho oro eva Isoko ugbe wa de ogogo bobi olase àwọn ni ru ora ọjọgba lase anyị rigora keme arị na be ya enu ehe gwara tiri ha o bara na oro fado o bara na oro ruene no keme na obi robeje wa be ya enu no tota ha etua omori nebesi a gboro na omori nebesi o ruene no mebe we ikporo ya mo na ni eji bi oni wa na oro reta maro wa wo ma e bare ni feruo wa fa ruoke uwe mu na uwe ma wa rue onu uwe ma wa jira bonono wa ri awa wo no wa bi kere be ka won na bi remarriage wa not say wa ru so te Ethiopia o so bono be wa te bo be mu na ri iho no wa wocho no be all of them wa te bo be wa te ri iho no wa ra yan siti lo fa fo bo ne uwe ma ha wa rue wa na rue ha re Isoko na ufuemu fuaro Reba ni fue mufadi Isoko ni shomairia. Vegetarians yeta, I'm coming back for another video again. Until you people do this Isoko well, there will be no peace in your home. Beshen where Isoko now need to ma for when Aria said that yes. Who did the homophobia te Jew on ha? Eba weta did that Isoko na ana. Isoko na re paro, Isoko na re o man. Where be tabota what to get a all right, caution the tradition Isoko na. Omotefo we ana. Omotefo we ega Isoko the access of Isoko teri ya betera ya you. But say ya no be gbojele ke la we na. You get why? See you in my next video. Please comment, share, and like. Just wait till you think about this talk when I talk so. Comment for the comment section. Make us see.